Hey guys, welcome to Hard Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can upload music on Spotify from your Android mobile phone. At first, go to Play Store, search for the app called Anchor and then install the app. Once it's installed, go into it and log in. After that, go to the section called Tools, click on the plus, allow it. After that, go to Library and then click on Import and then allow. After that, go to the audio section and then whatever folder your song is saved to, and then click on it. After that, once it's imported, click on the plus button, add segment to episode. After that, it will say publish and then give out the episode title. Let me title it to the name. And after that, say Harry Styles. And then it says customize, let's say season 1. And then let's just name it episode 2 and then publish now. You can do whatever you want to. After that, it says ready to publish. Click on that and then your video will automatically be uploaded. Thanks for watching. This is it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until then, take care.